Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get a little sawmilling done this afternoon. So I am going to be storing lumber behind my shop here in this little space back here. It's fairly level already, but I'm gonna cut like some 6x6s. I'm gonna need 2 at least, and maybe 3 actually. And I'm gonna set them long ways like this across back here so I can lay my lumber long ways across them like that. So I did the math back here, and in this space back here I could probably stack up around $39,000 worth of lumber back here, and that's with it being like stacked up 8 foot tall, and I mean completely filled back here with nothing but lumber. But anyways, I'm gonna cut these 6x6s. I'm gonna try to find 3 crappy logs over here and cut them, and then I'm probably gonna use the excavator to bite them up and drive them back there. I don't have my skid steer. I really wish I did. And yeah, I'm gonna use that log there and that log there, and I'm gonna find a third one. But it shouldn't take me too long to cut this. So there we go, 8x8. People call this stuff dunnage also, but cut it really nice. Nice and square all the way down. I'm gonna make me 3 more of these. All right, got them 3 8x8s cut. I meant to say I got 2 more to cut in that last video I made, but come out pretty good. Perfect to stack my lumber up on. And I got some 2x6s out of some waste that I accumulated. And the rest I threw on my scrap pile. So I'm gonna use the excavator and take them over behind the shop and set them up. Whew, okay, well, I got another log on the deck ready for tomorrow morning. I'm calling it a day. My back is pretty sore. So I'm gonna show y'all the 2x6x10s I got milled up. I got 6 of them. So that's I think that was 48 board foot when I calculated it. No, 60 board foot. I think it was 60, but this thing's come out great. So I'm gonna make this stack a little bit wider. I think I'm gonna make it 4 foot wide, and then I'm gonna put another set of stickers and just keep stacking them up. And once I got a couple $100 worth stacked up, then I'll probably move on down and start a new section like that one of a different size. Maybe instead of 2x10s, or 2x6x10s, I'll do 2x4x10s or whatever, something like that. But come out great, and them timbers, they come out great too. So stay tuned. I got plenty of logs left to saw up. To be continued tomorrow.